So ano-ano ba yung mga memorial players dito? Bakit advantageous si Orchard? Knowledge about qualification ng buyer. So you have to qualify all those things. Although for me, hindi masyado ang qualification kasi lahat naman ng tao can afford ng ating product. Diba? In fact, when I was in Jensen, even yung mga tricycle drivers, even yung mga pastil vendors, we're trying to educate them. Saan mo pwedeng ilagay yung pera mo na 1/4? Sa bangko or sa lupa? So, going on, I think one of the most important then is the attitude. What kind of attitude do you have? Mind setting. Ibig sabihin, pag tinanong ko kayo ng question number 1, sino ang gustong yumaman? Taas ang kamay.
Lahat.
Sino? Lahat.
Bigyan ng race. Sulti na ng gorahan.
But there's question number 2. Sino talaga ang gustong yumaman? You see that those are two different questions. Sino yung gustong yumaman? Ayun lahat. Sino talaga yung gustong yumaman? It depends on your willingness to succeed. Gusto ko talaga Gusto ko talagang yumaman So I will do all my best. Diba? That's the attitude. That's the mindset. Kasi kung ikaw, iniisip mo lang, hindi. Na-answer ko si Sir Bani question number 1 niya. Basta, gusto kong yumaman. Basta. Pero, I'm not doing anything. Diba? Sa bahay ka lang. Pero sa mindset mo, gusto ko yumaman. Kaya lang, hindi ako makalabas. Kaya ano, init. Hindi ako makalabas. Hindi ako makalabas. Kaya ano, ulan. Ano na pipilitin natin na weather for you to go out and make a living because you wanted to answer the number 2 question kasi gusto ko talagang yumaman. Diba? It's in ourselves. Skills. Skills kasi nag-develop to over time. Walang expert right away. Diba? Would you believe? Skills nag-develop over time. Nade-develop as you practice doing it. Hindi siya madali, but you know, probably sa 10 na presenta nyo, na-experience nyo ba to? Sa 10 na presenta nyo, ilan ang bumili?
Minsan wala pa siya.
Dalawa?
Minsan
O minsan wala?
Wala talaga.
Minsan wala. Starting. O gawin natin 20. Sa 20 na napresentan mo, ilan ang bumili? May isa na. As you go on, sa next 20 mong client, ilan na ang bumili? Wala ulit? No, because you need to improve. You need to improve. You have to develop the skills. Ano ba yung ginawa ko kay Sir? Bakit hindi niya ako bumili sa akin? Gagawin ko kay Ma'am. Kay Ma'am Ruby. So, different styles for different people. Alam niyo din ba yon? Hindi ko pwedeng gawin yung hard selling kay Sir. Pero kay Ma'am Ruby, pwede ako mag-hard sell. Ma'am Ruby, kailangan mo talaga. Diba? Ilan kayo sa pamilya? 6. Sa isang lawn lot ko, 2 pwede malibing. Fresh. Ilan na kailangan niya? We talk of preparation. Ma'am Ruby, sa pamilya mo alone, prepare tayo. 3 ang kailangan mong lawn lots para sa pamilya mo lang. Diba? Hard sell? Hard sell. Probably hindi natin pwede gawin kay Sir Romulo. Diba? Sir Romulo. Investment. Secondary yung family use. Pero, pwede mong pagkakitaan nila. So, those are the skills na then develop natin as we go along. And you have to, kasi for me, selling is an art. You know? I have to gauge you first, Ma'am Ruby, kung anong style ang pwede kong gamitin sa'yo. Alam niyo ba yun? Sige, si Ma'am Ruby, masungit. Diba? So, kailangan mabait ako. Kailangan pinapatawa-tawa ko siya. But number one rule, sa real estate, lalo na sa kabagong kapapasa na broker natin, let's give a round of applause.
Congrats, sir.
Congrats, sir.
People buy to people whom they trust. Bihira yung bumili sa'yo ng stranger. Unless nahulog ka agad ang loob sa'yo at pinagkatiwalaan ka niya. That's the number one rule. Kailangan magkaroon kayo ng relationship. Especially here in Mindanao. You know, I've been traveling abroad, Manila. The big difference here in Mindanao, the market is very familistic. Ibig sabihin, there's a connection. You have to have a connection first bago sila bumili sa'yo. Agree? Okay, next. Once you do it in a habit, na na-develop mo na, meron kang knowledge, positive attitude, good skills, you keep on doing it, habits, nandiyan na, ibig sabihin, maningkamot ka. Kung wala kang gagawin, probably, you will not succeed. Sa tagal ko na po dito sa real estate, I've seen people succeed. I've seen people fail. Alam mo, main difference nila? It's their drive. Their drive to succeed. Their drive to get out sa kahirapan. Kailangan ganun yung mentality nyo. And we are here to help everyone. Sinong gustong umakyat ng stage at palakpakan dahil you are an awardee?
Lahat.
For sales consultant, meron kaming no? Meron kaming quarterly awarding. Of course, meron yung monthly. Pero yung quarterly namin is yung mga big deal for us. For unit managers, you just need 150 lots. For sales consultant, you just need 30 lots. Mahirap pa 30 lots? Sa 3 buwan?
Kaya.
Mindset.
Mindset. Diba? Minsan nalalaki ako sa number 30. Daghan, oy. Pero, siya nga, ilang kailangan niya?
Tatlo.
Oh, isa pa lang siyang nakausap ko. Diba? 3 kailangan niya. I'm about to sell 3 lots to Ma'am Ruby. Si Ma'am, ilang kayo sa pamilya? 6 din. Ilan ang kailangan mong lot? 3, of course. Si Ma'am? 3 lang. Ilan ang kailangan mong lot?
2, sir.
2. Si ngayong umaga, ngayong hapon, 3. Ilan ka na? 3, 2. That's 8 lots already. I'm about to hit my monthly quota already by just talking to them. Wala pa investment side and use side pa lang yung pinagkukwentuhan namin. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So in the next mga presentations ni Ping, gusto kong ma-realize nyo yung income. Income diri. Bakit ko pinasulat sa inyo? Sinong gustong yumaman? Wala man ako sinabi na ganito. Pasulat dito. Ganun talaga. Mali yung sinulat mo. Gusto kong yumaman. Anak, would you believe naka-create ako ng millionaire sa Jensen? By selling orchards. Sarap ng pakiramdam.
Sana all.
I'm sharing it to you. Okay? What's the secret formula? It's not so very secret. 10,000 monthly ang nakalagay kay ma'am. 10,000 lang? Happy ka na? No, listen. Honest to goodness question. Ha? 10,000 monthly, happy na si ma'am.
Okay.
Because short-term itong pinag-uusapan natin, no? Not even number of months. So later on, I'll show you kung paano nyo ma-achieve yung 10,000. Sino may mga anak na mag-aaral? Magkano ba tuition dito? Sa
Dito, sir, 1,000.
1, 2
average?
per month.
Kung high school.
So 28 din.
10 months, 20,000?
28 na sa amin sa grade private.
28,000.
That's for high school or
Elementary pa lang.
elementary?
Ayun naman pa nga.
Private.
Hindi na ginusto.
How can I get pang tuition? Kasi we have a slogan here in Orchard. You can get pera araw-araw dito sa Orchard. Huwag na natin patagalin. Let's start on. Ma'am Ping. Let's welcome Ma'am Ping Arangues, our safe